See, I could have done that. I thought about it a couple weeks ago.
Thought about doing what?
Unscrewing it and...
Well, you don't want to do that.
No. I think he would have frowned on that, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
I know your family would have.
You hear it popping.
No,
It feels like it's down in there, popping.
but Mike told me about it. He came by here before he left for the day
Oh, did he?
to tell us about you.
What does that mean when it's popping like that?
Could just mean scar tissues popping.
Well, I thought at first it was this thing, and then I could feel it in there. Oops, I hear that. That's you doing that, but I can feel it.
That's that dead man coming alive.
Do what?
That's that dead bone in there.
That man's
Well, I
coming
don't
alive
want
for
any dead
one.
bone in there.
There's one in there.
Not any dead bone.
Well, are you scared to throw away?
Could be.
Lucky Lucy.
There you go.
See? It's on the opposite side. I don't think that way.
Mm-hmm. You just think from the right side of your brain, don't
Yeah.
you?
Righty tighty, loosey goosey.
Yeah. Lefty Lucy.
Yeah.
Righty tighty. Loosey goosey.
That's what they used to say at work.
Gosh, that thing's dirty.
Oh Lord, she'll be cleaning
Yeah.
it.